Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited because I have something that every content creator, filmmaker and photographer is going to love. The Godox LC500R RGB LED light stick. It literally looks like a lightsaber, but the real magic is inside. So let me walk you through everything. Feature modes, effects and real life usage in the most simple and audience-friendly way. Let's begin. The Godox LC500R is the upgraded version of LC500, but now it comes with RGB, FX light effects and much better color accuracy. It's lightweight, handheld, portable and perfect for studio shoots, portraits and product videos, TikTok reels, even for vlogging. The CRI rating is 96 and TLCI is 98, which means the colors you capture will look extremely natural and vibrant. Maximum LED power 23 watt. Even though this light is compact, it's powerful enough for portraits, product shoot or dramatic lighting setups. Maximum illuminance 1380 lux. At 1 meter in darkroom, it gives you up to 1380 lux, which is more than enough for close-up shooting. CCT mode 2500 Kelvin to 8500 Kelvin. You can go from warm tungsten light at 2500 Kelvin to cool daylight at 8500 Kelvin. Perfect for matching with any environment. RGB mode 360 full colors. This light gives you full control over hue, saturation and brightness. You can select from 360 different colors, all dimmable from 100% down to 0%. Smooth dimming means no flickering and perfect control over light intensity. Wireless remote control support. With the optional Godox RC-R9 remote, you can control groups, channels, HSI, CCT, FX, everything from a distance. RGB mode on the LC500R is fantastic for creative lighting. Whether you're shooting music videos, fashion reels, neon-style portraits or B-rolls, just pick your color and paint your scenes. Godox gives you a 360 HSI control, so you can create any mood you want. It makes your shoots more dramatic and visually unique. This is where LC500R becomes a filmmaker's dream. It has 14 inbuilt effects with 39 presets including RGB style, flash, laser, lighting, broken bulb, TV flicker, candle, fire, fireworks, cop car, fire engine, ambulance, music mode, SOS. These effects make your video instantly cinematic. Perfect for YouTube videos, short films, reels and more. One of the coolest features is music mode. There's a built-in microphone inside the LC500R and the light changes color and brightness based on the beat of the music. Great for party shoots, dance videos or creating a disco-like vibe. The LC500R comes with two-way Barndoors. These help you shape and control the light beam exactly where you want it. No unwanted light spill. Great for professional-looking portraits, age lighting or dramatic lighting effects. The RGB stick is lightweight and perfect for handheld use. Anywhere you move it, you instantly see how the light falls. Plus, it includes a 1/4-inch screw thread, so you can attach it to tripods, light stand or tilter brackets for more flexible positioning. Battery 14.4 volt, 2600 mAh. Usage time at full power approximate 90 minutes. Color temperature range 2500 Kelvin to 8500 Kelvin. Weight is around 0.81 kilograms without Barndoors, and the size is 616 x 56 x 56 mm. What's in the box? LED light, two-way Barndoors, portable bag, charger, instruction manual, everything you need to get started right away. So that's the Godox LC500R, a powerful, portable and incredibly versatile RGB light stick. If you are a creator or filmmaker who wants more creativity, color and control in your lighting, this is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.